Hi, this is Bruce from Bruce Fixes Stuff, and behind me is my General Lee project. For those that know me, I used to drive this car daily, and now I've been doing some work to it, and I've got it almost ready to paint under the hood. All kinds of repair work and stripped it down to the bare metal under here. This is getting ready to be repainted. Going to be all orange underneath here, except for the suspension. Of course, it's going to be black. Going to stay black on the inside of the wheel wells. In the floor, it's got all new floor pans, front to rear, all the way through. It's kind of become a depository for stuff. But the plan is to have this car back together and running and driving in the next few months, so like and subscribe to the channel and watch along as we try to get this car back together in the next few months. Let's see if we can get her done.